As PiNetwork prepares for its much-anticipated open mainnet launch, one of the most pressing questions circulating among the millions of global pioneers is, what will the price of Pi be when the open mainnet goes live? Based on current trends and innovative technology under development, there is a strong possibility that Pi coin will stabilize around 314.159, a value supported by PiNetwork's advanced algorithmic stablecoin system, powered by Euler's Shield, a decentralized AI-driven mechanism designed to ensure long-term stability. Pi coin, an algorithmic stablecoin with Euler's Shield technology. One of the standout features of Pi coin is the cutting-edge technology supporting it. PiNetwork is building a decentralized algorithmic stablecoin powered by Euler's Shield, an AI-driven system that ensures the price of Pi remains stable and sustainable over time. Unlike most traditional stablecoins that are tied to fiat reserves or other assets, Pi coin is designed to be independent and self-regulating. It is not pegged to fiat currencies or held reserves, but rather uses a self-adjusting algorithm to stabilize its value. Autonomously stable. Through dynamic adjustments, the system ensures Pi remains stable at around 314.159, with the possibility of increasing in value over time as demand grows. Secure and decentralized, with PiNetwork's blockchain technology, the integrity of Pi coin is maintained by a decentralized system, offering transparency and security across the entire network. This unique combination of AI and blockchain technology is what sets Pi apart from other cryptocurrencies, positioning it as a revolutionary stablecoin with a sustainable, autonomous value system. Why the 314.159 price tag? The figure 314.159 is no coincidence. It reflects the mathematical constant pi, which is at the heart of the PiNetwork's philosophy. By using Euler's Shield technology, PiNetwork aims to anchor the coin's value to this figure, ensuring that its price remains consistent and predictable while maintaining room for growth. Interestingly, even before the open mainnet launch, there are already signs that Pi coin could achieve remarkable value. All-time high ATH of Pi IOU. Pi IOU tokens, which represent Pi coin's future value, have already reached an all-time high of $330, approximately $314 plus a 5% increase. Major partnerships on the horizon. If significant partnerships with global giants such as Amazon, Tesla, or Alibaba are announced before the open mainnet goes live, Pi IOU's price could easily exceed $200 even before the network is fully operational. These indicators suggest that the price of Pi could surge once the open mainnet is activated, with the potential for long-term stability at 314.159. Predicted Pi price at open mainnet. Based on the current trends and the technology powering PiNetwork, here's what we can expect for Pi coin's price once the open mainnet launches. Week 1. The price of Pi is predicted to fluctuate between $300 and $314.159, stabilizing near $314.159 by the end of the first week. Post-stabilization. Following the initial phase, the Euler's Shield system will allow Pi to stabilize and maintain this value while adjusting to rising demand, with the potential for gradual increases over time. This system ensures that Pi is not only a store of value, but also a currency capable of adapting to the economic forces of supply and demand without being susceptible to the extreme volatility seen in many cryptocurrencies. The key benefits of Pi's algorithmic system. PiNetwork's approach to building a stablecoin is highly innovative and offers several benefits to the ecosystem and its users. Enhanced security. The use of AI ensures that Pi remains secure from price manipulation and market instability, safeguarding both individual users and the network as a whole. Scalability. The decentralized design ensures that Pi's systems can scale efficiently as the network grows, serving a broader audience without compromising performance. True decentralization. Unlike traditional stablecoins controlled by centralized entities, PiCoin operates autonomously, giving the global community full control over the network. These attributes make PiCoin an attractive option for users seeking a stable yet innovative digital currency. The future of PiNetwork, a market leader in cryptocurrency, with the combination of Euler's Shield technology, strong community support, and the promise of major partnerships, PiNetwork has positioned itself as a potential leader in the global cryptocurrency market. If Pi can continue to grow its ecosystem and secure strategic collaborations with major companies before open mainnet, its value could rise significantly, further validating its role as a decentralized financial asset. The open mainnet launch is poised to unlock Pi's full potential, establishing it as not only a stablecoin, but a cornerstone of a new decentralized economy. Open mainnet transition. PiNetwork is still in the enclosed mainnet phase, meaning the PI token cannot yet be traded freely on external exchanges. Once the open mainnet launches, the token's actual value will be determined by supply and demand. The circulating supply of PI tokens will play a major role in its price. Adoption and utility. The more businesses and individuals accept PI for real transactions, the higher its potential value. Market sentiment. Speculation during launch could lead to volatility. 2. The 314,159 hypothesis. This figure seems to come from PiNetwork's association with the mathematical constant pi, 3.14159. However, such a price would imply a market capitalization in the trillions, far exceeding the total value of global cryptocurrencies. Comparatively, Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, has only reached a fraction of this valuation, about $1 trillion at its peak market cap. 3. Realistic price estimates. Once PI enters the open mainnet and is listed on exchanges. Conclusion. PiNetwork is on the cusp of something revolutionary. With a predicted price stabilizing at $314.159, PiCoin represents not just a new digital currency, but an entirely new economic paradigm based on decentralization, security, and autonomy. For Pi's millions of pioneers, the open mainnet marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter in cryptocurrency, one that could redefine how digital currencies are perceived and used globally. Will PiCoin become the new standard for stable digital currencies? The coming months will reveal whether the technology and vision behind PiNetwork can transform it into the leader in the world of cryptocurrency. Is the world ready for Pi's revolution? Only time will tell. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.